The toolkit that came with your Jeep will have all the tools you need to remove your factory doors. Start with the large T50 Torx to remove the two nuts holding the door hinges. On the inside of the Jeep, remove the plastic panel. To undo the front connectors, pull the red safety tab up, squeeze the locking button on the bottom, pivot the lever up. The rear doors are the same process to here. You only need to squeeze the locking tab on the bottom to disconnect the wiring. Remove the door safety strap. Swap out the large T50 Torx for the long T40 Torx. Remove the bolt holding the door detent. There are pockets in the rear of your Jeep to hold the factory hardware. You may now remove the factory doors. Steinjager offers several options for door storage devices with links in the description. Install your flag door ensuring the armrest is facing inward. Install the door limit strap. With the washer on the bolt, install it through the door. Slip the spacer on and only hand tighten the clevis for now. With the door closed, install the latch pin by pressing the top button. You will want to tighten the bolt so the door doesn't rattle, but the latch pin removes easily.
For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.